Hello.
Hi.
Oh,
We are at the North Head Lighthouse.
North Head Lighthouse.
That big thing right there.
Yeah. On the southernest point of Washington State.
Long Beach Peninsula.
Yep. And today we are going to attempt to go from one lighthouse to another.
So, North Head Lighthouse, and then over that way is Cape Disappointment Lighthouse.
So, should be fun.
Yeah, let's do this adventure.
Let's check it out. All right, you ready for this?
Let's go.
It's around that mountain, way out there.
Woo.
Let's go. Let's go.
How many? 6.6 miles?
Who knows?
See where the adventure takes us. Oh! And here we go. North Head Trail. And we are going all the way to...
We're here. Right here.
all the way to there. That's a long ways.
Let's see if we can do it.
Can we do it?
Can we do it?
Can we do it? Of course we can do it.
Let's see.
We summited Mount St. Helens, for goodness sake. This is nothing. What campground is that down there? Beautiful point to stop and enjoy the view.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey. This trail is so beautiful. And muddy.
Muddy. No people, it's quiet.
I'll take all the mud instead of people any day. Oh, muddy, muddy. Some of you don't know the area we're in. We're heading towards the Columbia River, which is the border between Washington and Oregon. And it's also where the settlers settled in here. Lewis and Clark came through here. It's pretty awesome. .5 miles later, and we're on Fort Canby State Park Road, Campground Road, and off to the trailhead up there.
All right, we made it to Waikiki Beach parking area, made a little pit stop at the bathroom.
Yep.
And off we go to Cape Disappointment Lighthouse now.
Let's go.
Let's do this. All right, so we started up here, the North Head Lighthouse, went all the way, and now we're right there. So we're gonna head up to Cape Disappointment, about 1.2 miles to the lighthouse on another muddy trail. But
get it.
It's all right. We know what to expect now.
So fucking cool. Ooh.
Alright, we're halfway to Cape Disappointment Lighthouse, which is right there. So we're just gonna make our way around Dead Man's Cove and
Let's go.
let's do this.
.6 miles off.
Dead Man's Cove. Oh my gosh, no mud.
From the Coast Guard station, it's pretty much a road up to the lighthouse. Pretty easy.
We're so close, let's go. There's World War II batteries that were abandoned here, all over this place actually. We've been to a few of them over, like when you're first coming into Long Beach. There's one, I think we have a few videos actually on them, so check those out. But really cool places to explore and fun days at the beach.
Look, the Emerald City, and it's closer than ever. Let's go, let's go, let's go. We're almost there.
And we did it.
We did it.
Lighthouse to lighthouse. About 4.25 miles from
Straight.
North Head to Cape Disappointment. So,
Woo, baby.
yeah.
Yeah. Look at the size of that thing.
All right, well, that has been our lighthouse to lighthouse adventure for this beautiful Monday.
I need an Uber to come pick me up and take me home. Wow. I can't believe we did it.
Yeah, it was a great hike. About 4.25 miles, I would say.
Sweet. Beautiful
Quite a
day.
bit of elevation, up and down, but overall, it was fantastic.
Great day. Thank you for joining us
On our
P&W
adventures,
baby.
yeah,
Peace out.
doses. Okay, I've been talking about fish and chips since like yesterday. Fort George, Astoria. This is where it's at.
I shouldn't even put music in this video. Just let you listen to that the whole thing. right?
Yeah.
What is up with these kids?
Screaming kids, Karen.
Ah, don't they have a home? Are you too good for your home? Answer me! I'm doing the real outro, not the fake outro or the other fake outro, but we're doing the real outro right now, okay?
Take 3. So thanks for joining us today on our PNW adventure. Oh, am I starting over again? Shit. Well, that was our lighthouse to lighthouse. Why do you keep putting the camera down? What are you doing?
Let's just do the outro. Okay, we already got the good one. Let's place it together.
What are we saying? What are we doing?
Take 5. The real reason we're at the beach is because Marisa really wanted some fish and chips. So
Last night I was like, hey, you want to go to the beach today?
know any trails? Know any trails?
Thanks for joining us on our PNW adventures. Sunday.
Wow.
Monday.
Wow.
Wow.
Somebody needs a beer.